Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Advent of Code, year 2025. I don't know, day two. We have about a minute to go, as you can see on the screen. I'm not gonna lie, I might not. In fact, I'm likely not gonna do it, quote unquote, live or at real time this year, just because I'm all over the place. But today, because you have a little bit of jet lag and stuff like that, we'll be able to do it. We have about 33 seconds to go. I'm going to change to here, and we don't have a global leaderboard anymore, so definitely join our personal leaderboard if you want to kind of measure against people, I guess. But yeah, I also have this timer, right, that will go. I don't know how, I mean, it's not super accurate because I have to do it manually, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, all right, we have 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna start the time a little early so I don't waste time on the timer when the real thing starts. But 5, 4, 2, 1, go. All right, let's see. Okay, let's actually read the poem. Okay. I see. This is a really weird one, but okay, fine. A little bit slow on the reading today, actually, but the commas in. It's pretty weird. Okay, this empty space, but that's fine. Okay, and then now otherwise we have a frame. All that's I am not. I'm very rusty. Like this should not. Should not need to print this to thing. But okay. Let me take a look at the info real quick. They go up to. So I think 5 digits is okay, right? Okay. Yeah. My keyboard is like getting sticky. I need to get it professionally cleaned. Like I can't type certain things that easily, but okay. And let's just do one more. What's up with all this autocomplete stuff? Okay, so okay. I don't know why I'm so slow today. Is that right? That looks right. Okay, part 2. At least twice. Okay. Yeah, same thing, really. 2 to 10, doesn't matter. That's not the right answer. This one, the test answer is wrong. Oh jeez. 1 1 1 2 2. Oh, do I double count anything? I do double count some stuff because this 2 2 2. Okay. I think okay. I mean, that's just me being silly, I guess. Okay, that's right this time. This should be right. Okay. Yeah, I mean, okay. Yeah, I mean, 5 minutes is probably a little bit slow on my part, honestly. I don't know why I'm typing so slowly on this keyboard. I think it's just the computer I've had for like 4 years. And as a result, I think it's just some keys, like my period key is not, it's a little sticky. I need to clean it up professionally. Sometimes, and period is very important for the thing. Yeah, I mean, I put everything in part 1 because sometimes I'm just too lazy to change it. Or too lazy to copy and paste and then change it because for speed reason. Maybe that's not quite the cleanest way to do it. But let me actually rewrite this now. This is actually part 2, right? And part 1, we just assume this is 2, right? So it's actually, I mean, part of it is that it is the general version. Whatever, right? Make sure that it works. Is that the answer? I don't remember. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, I think the trick that is easy to miss, and I missed it because I got a wrong answer, is the dupe parts. But as soon as you see that it could be dupe, you just put in a set, really, right? There are not that many numbers, and once you don't have that many numbers, it's easier to kind of the hardest part is to recognizing that. I mean, I think for this problem there are 2 components, right? For part 1 is to recognizing that if you double, it's not, I was going to say palindrome, but it's not a palindrome obviously, but if you double a number, that means, and you look at the input, I think you're not supposed to show the inputs, so I'm not going to, I mean, I guess I showed it briefly, but the idea there is that it's just based on the constraints, and if it goes up to even 10 digits, you only have to do 5 digits of practicing, right, of looping. So then you try to reverse it, and once you do that, this is pretty straightforward because this is a loop of this times the number of ranges, which is minimal. And then for part 2, the key thing to know is that if you win this mostly correctly, and if you can see the progress I did, right? I made it just to loop to 10. I mean, I don't think you could probably be a little bit smarter to do some maths here, but in the interest of competitive time, you don't even have to, right? You just kind of multiply this, and in Java, I mean not Java, I'm not in Java, in Python it is very simple, as you can see. You just multiply, but this is just like a syntactic sugar, right? You could write something, you could just loop it a few times or whatever, and then the other thing is noting that it could be duplicate because for example, you have 2s, you can have 22 and 4 twos is 22 times 2, for example. So once you recognize that, then just put in a set so that you don't duplicate. I was thinking about it when I was typing it, honestly, but I wasn't quite sure how you were supposed to interpret it. Maybe maybe it's pretty clear, but I just kind of was like, I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. And yeah, that's it. This is so much nicer that I don't know. There's no global leaderboards. I don't feel stressed. Or I think that's maybe why I took a little bit slower than I usually do, just because I'm like, it's fine. But that's good, I think. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye bye.